Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog is going to be, I don't know, random, fun, hopefully. It is currently 8:25 a.m. and I'm sitting down to eat my breakfast. I made overnight oats last night. Oh, that's done. Okay, that's better. So yeah, I made overnight oats last night and that is what I'm going to have for breakfast. I need to put some fruit in here. I'm just gonna cut up some strawberries and toss them in here. So today's day is going to consist of me going to Target because last night I really randomly started craving tacos at like 1 a.m. and I really wanted some tacos and I was like, you know what, let me make a grocery list of things I need to get for tacos because I'm gonna make them for dinner tonight. But in my thing I have old-fashioned oats, honey, chia seed, flaxseed, shredded coconut, and some plant-based milk. And I put cinnamon in here. And I also have this powder. I've literally had it for like over a year. I got it from Marshall's. It's like a plant-based protein powder. It's chocolate flavored. It's disgusting. I hate it. It's not even chocolate flavored. It's just, it's so bitter. But I put a little tablespoon of that in here too because I have to finish it. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Taco stuff for tonight, and then I think I want to swing by Starbucks and get that new iced pineapple matcha drink because it looks really good. Okay, and we're back. You guys, look at this giant line. Look, it starts like right here. Those two cars right there are also in line, and then it wraps all the way around to like the drive-through. Oh my god. Should I actually wait in this line? I think yes, why not? What else do I have to do today? All right guys, we're making progress. I'm next in line. Oh my god, this line has been crazy. People have been like so rude. They like won't let each other in and I'm just like, chill out. Everybody's gonna get their coffee.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you this morning?
Hi, can I get a grande iced pineapple matcha?
All right, what else for you this morning?
That'll be all.
5:30, we'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. The lady in front of you paid for your order.
Really?
She said thank you for being nice.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No
thank
problem.
you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh my goodness. So I don't know if you guys heard, but the lady in front of me actually paid for my drink because I let her in line. So I'm driving back home now. I stopped and I got gas and I filled up my whole car for only $23. Woohoo! Before it was like 40. But yeah, the lady in front of me, like nobody was letting her in the Starbucks line to even order. And 3 cars in front of me just like kept driving and like did not let her in, and I was like, dude, like it's ridiculous, come on. Like one person can go and then the next person from the other line can go. Like it's not that hard to like do. Like I don't know why people are just so greedy and like so selfish. So I was just like, I waved her in and then she was like, thank you, and like she waved back, and then I pulled up to the drive-through window to pick up my order, and the barista said the lady in front of you just paid for your order. I'm sure you guys heard it actually. It was like I had it recording. But like I just like, if people were nicer and did nice things, like the world would be such a better place, you know? Like, do at least one good thing to somebody like once a day. And it's like literally, like, it doesn't have to be something big or extravagant. It's like the little things. Like, I let her in line at a Starbucks drive-thru and she paid for my drink. Like, something so small, but she was so grateful and thankful, and she like wanted to express her gratitude, and she paid for my drink. So if you guys are watching this, please do one good thing, especially in these times that we're in, like quarantine and, you know, with the virus all over the place. And it's just like been hard on everybody, like not just a certain group of people, like it's hard on the whole world. So if people are a little bit nicer, it would make a difference. Also, the drink is actually really good. I like it a lot. I tried the ginger golden drink, the one that had, yeah, well, ginger, duh, but it tasted like, I don't know, it just like, I like ginger tea, like just straight up ginger tea with a little bit of honey in there. Like, I really like that. But the ginger drink that Starbucks made, I wasn't a big fan of. But this one, the matcha, I really like matcha. So like when they were like, oh, we put pineapple in it this time, I was like, oh, okay, let me try that. It's actually really good. It's a great summer drink. I really like it. So I'm glad I like that one. So if you guys are into pineapple and matcha, you should give it a try because it's really good. And be nice, okay? Let somebody in the drive-thru line if they can't get in it. So now I am going home and I have some school papers to do and to turn in. Ugh, I don't even want to do them, but at least I don't have class on Friday. Thank God. That would suck. There is a squirrel! Oh my God. Okay. I didn't get it. I hate when squirrels jump out in front of you. Like, what is wrong with you? Look at her. Look at this. She looks like a dog. Come on, Coop. Welcome home. Yeah. Are you happy to be home? Yeah? Yeah? You want to eat? You want to eat? You want to eat breakfast? It's only 10:30. Are you ready for breakfast? Hmm? Okay, let's see. I don't have any wet food for her, but I guess this will do. Look at her bowls. Hold on. Let me spin this Coop. How cute are the bowls? They say purr and kitty. And then she has another one up here, and it says meow. And then Maggie has a bark and wolf cup. And they're so cute. A little ASMR action for you guys. Okay, I'll get the camera out of your face. I'm sorry. I'll let you eat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Target. I got some lettuce for the tacos. I got my plant-based ground beef. Some hard taco shells. I was feeling like the hard shells. I didn't really want soft ones. I picked up this salsa, medium, of course, never mild, because what's the point of eating salsa if it's mild? Looks promising. And then I also picked up these black, like, biker shorts. They're not really biker shorts though. I mean, they kind of are, but they're not the length I wanted. They didn't have my size in like the 7-inch ones. They only had 10.5, but they were high rise and they had really good reviews on Target.com. So I saw them and picked them up, and they are in a size medium. And then I really wanted a wireless bra, so I saw this one and I love the color. It's so cute. It looks more orange on camera, but in real life it's like a rust color. And like, look at the detail. And I love that it's wireless. I hate bras with wire. And that's the back of it. So hopefully it fits. I did get my size, but we'll see. And then there's Cooper, wanting to go outside again, laying in a weird position. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being a good girl? Or are you being a bad girl? Where's your leg? Cooper, you're missing a leg. Where is it? It's okay. It's gonna grow back. Don't worry. You'll get it back. Except she won't. So this is what the Target biker shorts look like. I can't even like show you guys all the way, but they look pretty nice. They're super high-waisted. Like my belly button's like right here and they're like way up here. I don't know. I thought they would be like tighter or like suck me in more, but they don't. And I mean, that's okay. Maybe like I should have gotten a size smaller, but then I feel like it would have been way too small, you know? This is like the length that they come at, like right here, like right above the knee. They're not bad.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with my little bear? Are you good? Are you good? Are you being a good Maggie? Are you a good pug? Are you a good pug? Yeah. Look. It's you. Yeah, it's you, Maggie. Look, you look like a little bunny. Like a bunny rabbit. Look at the little ears. You're so cute.
Maggie is like, pet my belly, that's all I want. I just want kokochi. That's the magic word for treat in Bulgarian. So watch what happens when I say it. Maggie, искаш ли kokochi? Oh! Kokochi? Искаш kokochi? Oh, you're so happy. Do you want one? Искаш ли kokochi? Kokochi. Искаш? Искаш kokochi? Къде е коко? Скучи! Maggie, скучи! Yay! Okay, let's go get one. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kokochi, kokochi, kokochi. Kokochi, this way. This way. Kokochi, kokochi. She's so happy. Let's go. Whoop! Almost ran her over. This is what we give her. Sydney. Oh, I didn't even say it yet. Dai wapa. Thank you, so precious. Okay. Yes. Good job. So I'm downstairs now looking at my schoolwork because I'm taking organic chemistry this summer, and they have like a recitation session, which is like extra help, and it's taught by like a student that's already like passed the class and gotten an A on it. So I need to take that, or I need to like do the session, because it gives you 5 overall points if you go to like 1 a week. And if you guys have not taken organic chemistry, it is the devil. It is so hard. I don't understand it whatsoever. Like, I absolutely hate this class, like to the point where I'm just like, can I like change my major to anything that's close to where I don't have to take organic chemistry? Because if you're a biology major, like, it's a must. Like, you have to take organic chemistry 1 and 2. I'm only in 1. Oh yes, the first recitation starts today at 11 a.m. It's currently 11:08. What is Microsoft Teams? I have to use that? What is this? Sign in? I don't have a sign in. I filled up my 32-ounce water bottle that I love. I took it to Mexico. And this time, because I always drink just like plain water, I wanted to like put a little something in here. So I put in some strawberries. Like, I sliced up some strawberries, and then I mashed up 2 basil leaves, and then I put them in here too to give it like a strawberry basil water. Oh, okay. I really taste the basil. I don't really like taste the strawberry. Ooh! I love basil. So good. I literally like put basil on everything. Margarita pizza, oh, my favorite. Drench it in basil. What else? Tomato, cucumber, basil, fresh mozzarella salad. Oh, basil just like gives so much flavor. I love it. Oh, here we go. Okay, something is happening. Let's give my computer 1 year to open an app. Let's get ready to make some tacos! Woo-hoo!
Crescent rolls. Are we finishing them?
Okay, so I feel like it's done. This is what it's looking like. Is really good. Now, taste test my taco. Yummy! It's good. Okay guys, so I'm going to make a margarita to go along with our tacos. So I don't have a shaker, so I'm just gonna use this blender bottle. But I'm going to do 1 ounce of triple sec, 2 ounces of tequila, and then I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in here. And then some simple syrup. I just melted some sugar and water because I don't have any, so that's a little hack that you can do if you don't have it. And then I don't like my margarita to be too strong, so I'm actually gonna add this Simply Strawberry Lemonade juice in here. And I'm gonna do 2 ounces of it. Actually, I'm gonna do 4 ounces because I just feel like it's gonna be too strong and I don't want it to be a little too strong. I like barely want to taste the alcohol, you know? And I just realized I forgot to put ice in my blender, so 1 second. All right, and then you have your ice in here and you're gonna vigorously shake. And then I'm gonna get my cup that already has ice in it and just pour it in. Voila. Oh yeah, this is so good. Oh my gosh. This is literally perfect. It is not too strong. I love it. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys very soon.